Hello guys! Today is another day for a food video. Ito, matagal ko nang gustong itry. Ito siya. Angel hair. Supposed to be, pag binrake mo siya, may cotton candy siya sa loob. Yun yung catch. Kung may trending na Dubai chocolate, meron din naman angel hair, pistachio cream, and cotton candy filled chocolate. 4.99 pounds. Kasi nakita ko siya sa Amazon, parang nasa 15 to 20. This is a good deal. Ano kaya maganda dito? Parang hirap lang pumili kasi hindi ko alam yung pinakamaganda quality. Right. Tayo ng dalawang kinds para ma-compare natin. Ito, milk chocolate siya. Tapos ito namang isa is parang pink yung labas eh. 4.99 and 7.99 pounds. Let's give it a try. Wow! Parang may buhok talaga, guys. Totoong chismis. Masarap siya. Next. Moment of truth. Wow! Ay! Hindi masyado yung hair. Feeling ko kasi may pistachio dun sa loob. Masarap. Good quality. Right? Bye.